Do you have a stain you just can't get rid of? Have clumsy house guests spill their drinks on the floor? Did the dog leave a mess on the carpet? Don't let the stain set in. Get Krapof Instant Spot and Stain Remover, the compact cleaner that can get rid of old stains and new spills fast, leaving your floors fresh and clean. No matter if it's cola, juice, milk, coffee or more, have a look at this. Krapof inhales the spill in an instant. Spilled juice on the rug? Get the Krapof. Puppy mess on the couch? Get the Krapof. Old stains on the carpet? Get the Krapof. And make it look like new again. Your carpet may look clean, but you'll be amazed at how discoloured it can become. Get the Krapof and make it look like new again. The secret's in the powerful extraction cleaning system. First, the targeted spray dilutes the stain. Then, like a wet vacuum, the super suction head lifts the liquid from deep within the pile and into the waste chamber. Just watch. We've left this spill soaked deep into the fibres of the carpet. In seconds, Krapof cleans the mess. It's that easy. Awkward, bulky machines are hard to manoeuvre and can cost a fortune to hire. With Krapof's small size yet powerful suction, clean baby food, get crayon off the couch, even keep your car seats and boot fresh and clean. Just spray, scrub and suck the mess. It's that easy, and when you're done, it empties straight into the sink.